Let us solve a problem. Suppose length and width of rectangle are measured with errors of at most 3% and 4% respectively. Use differential to approximate maximum percentage of error in calculated area. Suppose x denotes length of the rectangle and y denotes width of the rectangle, then area of the rectangle equals length into width, which equals xy. Let us denote area by letter capital A. Now we have expressed a as a function on x and y. We have to find out differential for function a. We have total differential associated with a is given by dA equals dou a by dou x into dx plus dou a by dou y into dy. Since a equals x into y, we have dou a by dou x equals y and dou a by dou y equals x. Thus we have total differential dA equals y dx plus x dy. When you divide both sides of differential dA equals y dx plus x dy using capital A, we have dA by A equals y multiplied to dx by xy plus x multiplied to dy by xy. We have y and y getting cancelled, x and x getting cancelled, thus RHS reduces to dx by x plus dy by y. Since we have delta A is approximately equal to total change in A, dA, we have delta A by A is approximately equal to dA by A, which gives us dx by x plus dy by y is approximately equal to delta x by x plus delta y by y. We have been given the information that error percentage while measuring length of rectangle is 3% and error percentage while measuring width of the rectangle is 4%. And the word at most gives us the information that these error values are maximum possible values of error in percentage. Since 3% is the maximum possible error associated with measurement of length, we have error associated with measurement of length equals change in length value upon original length value, which is modulus of delta x by x, which can assume maximum value 3%. Similarly, maximum value possible for error associated with measurement in width is given by delta y by y, and we have modulus of delta y by y is less than or equal to 4%. 3% equals 0.03 and 4% equals 0.04. Thus we have error in calculated area given by change in area by original area can be calculated using the expression modulus of dA by A is less than or equal to modulus of dx by x plus modulus of dy by y. Less than or equal to is used here because we are not given with exact values for error, but only maximum possible values for errors associated in measurement of length and width. Thus we have maximum percentage error in calculated area equals 0.03 plus 0.04, which equals 0.07. That is, modulus dA by A is less than or equal to 0.07. That is, error of at most 7% is observed while calculating area of the rectangle.